talking about the former personal advisor for the former Prime Minister, Dr. Miguna. And are we crossing to Mombasa? The working governor, 001, kills look like nobody's business. He dresses so well. I'm telling you, the man of the suits, he dresses Gucci. Governor Hassan Joho, Karibu sana brother.
Thank you very much, Jeff. Nashukuru. Asante kwa mwaliko, but you don't just say Governor Ali Hassan Joho. Umesahau kuwa ni the first governor in history of Mombasa. The first governor since serikali ya central government was introduced.
The first governor?
Yeah, speak where talking of his suit, talking of Gucci. That is hogwash.
Oh my God, but it's a fact, Miguna. He dresses so well.
So who has dressed anyhow?
Look at the suit. My brother, which designer is this, Mr. Joe?
Hii inaitwa Yugos.
Oh my goodness, how much is it?
Mambo madogo, unajua kuna mambo tukianza kuzungumza utasikia mara governor amekula pesa za mask.
But you are a cartel.
Mara hizi ni hela za hand za nini sanitizer. Sasa mambo mengine suit tunyamazie.
Miguna, how much is this suit?
Now, so you know this is now the
Miguna rafiki yangu
it is a calamity to be simple-minded.
Acha
nikueleze talking about so who is wearing polythene here?
Acha nikueleze mambo ya suti za KANU na suti za 5,000 za kushoneshwa.
Oh my goodness, I can't believe this is 5,000 Kenya shillings, Miguna.
Ni kitu ambacho unaona ukiangalia pale unaona 5,000 bendera ya KANU.
You know what's happening, Jeff? This is now this man was handpicked by Raila.
Okay.
If it were not for Raila, who would have known you?
Yes.
That you're now coming here and bragging of suit. You know, it is only simple-minded people that are easily satisfied.
Okay.
So when he dresses well,
yes,
he thinks he has reached the epitome of his life.
Keep tweeting at Koinange Jeff on Twitter, at Joho001, and of course at Miguna.
Okay.
Oh my goodness.
Jeff, let me tell you something. The valedictory speech made by the retired president, His Excellency Daniel Toroitich arap Moi, ambayo ni babu yetu, was considered by many as the end of oppressive and totalitarian KANU regime.
So you agree with me that Moi was a dictator?
Miguna, acha kwanza mtu eleze. Wacha nizungumze yale ambayo nataka kuzungumza.
Oh my goodness.
Yaani wewe ushaniokota,
smoking hot.
No, don't hide on this. Proceed with your speech.
Yes. Tukuja hapa you know, I normally find it exceedingly awkward.
Okay.
Each time Miguna tries to raise some disdainful and fundamental issues.
Oh my goodness.
Tukijaribu kuongea.
Back to fundamental issues. Okay, back to fundamental issues. Doing something good for the country. I love the initiative, my brother.
You're welcome, Jeff.
Okay.
Listen. Wakati nilisema kuwa watu wasiende makanisani, watu wasiende msikitini, because I am a Muslim.
Okay.
Born and raised in a Islamic setup.
Okay.
Down in Kisauni.
Yeah.
Let it go down in history that one day the first governor of Mombasa denied us a chance to attend worshipping
worshipping what? But Magufuli allowed people to go to church and mosque.
Oh my God,
this is Kenya. This is Kenya. That's Tanzania.
So is that history?
Oh my God. Is that you believe that people are supposed to worship Miguna?
Now it is very clear, but you know what's happening.
Okay.
My concern is my brother Joho is now claiming that stopping people from going to church is now writing history.
Oh my goodness, but you were an extreme brother.
You know, listen to me.
This is a global thing. And your neighbor, Magufuli, allow people to go to mosque and church.
All over the world, watu waendi makanisani na watu waendi msikitini.
So how do you claim history?
No, I am the first governor in Kenya to come up with that.
This cheap
Dr. Miguna.
Listen, Jeff, let me tell you something.
Okay.
Miguna na bishana hapa. About Magufuli. I'm just a governor.
Okay.
I'm not His Excellency Mheshimiwa Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta or my party leader Raila Amolo Odinga. Jeff, let me tell you, I am the first governor in Kenya. I am the first governor in Kenya kupatiana sanitizer, kupatiana chakula. na sieki picha yangu.
Is that-
Wengine
is that
wanapotana
something
mpaka
to brag
kondo wanaweka
about?
picha zao.
Oh my goodness. Wengine wanaweka picha wakipenda kondo. Oh my goodness.
I am the first governor. Almigunu unabishana hapa. If I may ask, what do you do for a living?
Now, before I answer,
Not even before you answer me.
Oh my goodness.
Jeff, as we are speaking saizi, we all know that Miguna ana kazi saizi. Na Miguna ameingia beti.
Oh my goodness.
Na ana beti.
Doctor?
Na ukiona bitterness anayo hapa is not because ati sijui mambo ya pandemic kama nini, no.
Okay.
Miguna is bitter because saizi hakuna mikusanyiko. Hakuna mambo ya kuweka beti.
Games.
Saizi
No
hakuna
games
games,
being played.
hakuna Chelsea, hakuna nini.
Miguna, you're bitter because
Na
games
nilishangaa,
being
tulia
played.
Jeff, nilishangaa kuona Miguna na beti mpaka na game za South America kuku wamepigana. Hiyo
Oh
ndio
my
vitu ambavyo
goodness.
anaelekea beti.
Miguna.
now, yeah,
Please.
give me a latitude
Okay.
to deconstruct this man.
Oh
and
my
you
goodness.
will. Now, my brother Hassan Joho, you are asking me what I do for a living. To start with, who knows what you are doing before you became a governor?
Before nikuwe
It
governor.
is very clear that
Before-
Mombasa County
Before
is
nikuwe-
on its knees economically now.
Before nikuwe governor nilikuwa mbunge.
Now,
Okay.
second
You are an
one,
MP.
Nilikuwa
Sitting member of parliament.
Jeff, you are eating on my time.
Oh my
Jeff, you are
goodness.
eating on
Okay.
my time.
Okay, continue, my brother.
Before
My
nikuwe governor nilikuwa
now
mbunge.
keep quiet. I kept quiet when you were answering your questions. I am a solicitor and a barrister.
Oh my
I have
goodness.
a license to practice law both in Canada and in Kenya. When you ask me what I'm doing, are you the one that pays for my flight ticket from to Kenya to Toronto every now and again?
Serikali
Oh
ilikusafirisha
my goodness.
na serikali ilisimamia kila kitu.
Oh my goodness.
I'm not talking of now. You see, Jeff, when you are talking to a bearded fellow with long jaws and empty brain, this is what you expect. Now, literally, this man is empty-headed. He fed like a cow.
Oh my goodness, hold it. We're taking a short break. When we come back, Nairobi University in Makerere. Don't go away. Jeff Queen Nangi live on Twitter, Mikuna, and Joe001. Welcome back to Jeff Queen Nangi live. I could Nangi Jeff on Twitter. At Mikuna, at Dr. Joho.
Doctor who? We are talking of which doctor?
Oh my goodness.
So Joe is a doctor. Well, this title is nowadays given to any Tom, Dick and Harry. The other day, Kalwale was playing banter. Now he's an MP. He's an MP. He's playing golf.
Oh my goodness.
Now, if you can,
Listen to me.
if you can afford to call this Mongol a doctor,
Listen to me. Doctorate.
then I would rather drop that.
Oh my goodness, listen.
Listen to me. The
Okay.
title doctorate.
Uh-huh.
The title doctorate
Uh-huh.
that has nothing to do with whether you are a doctor or such kind
So
of.
what
topic.
is it?
Listen, I'm alumni of Makerere University.
Oh my.
What was your dissertation?
I hold 2 degrees.
Oh my goodness, 2 degrees.
Yeah, I did driving and ACDL.
You
Oh
see?
my goodness.
And
You see?
listen Miguna, let me ask you a simple question. Today, wakisema watu ambao wana 50,000 kwa bank account wakutane KCC, will you be there Miguna?
Oh my goodness.
Okay, wakisema watu wa 20,000 wakutane, will you be there? Hata wakisema wa 12 kama
Oh
my
my
party,
goodness,
hata
Miguna.
wakisema 12,000 if my party
Miguna
leader
doesn't
Raila
have
Odinga
$50,000
hajaongezea
in the bank
2,000.
account. Miguna, we don't have.
Jeff, you see,
Oh my.
Hata wakisema 12,000 if my party leader Raila Odinga hajaongezea 2,000, will you be there?
you see, Jeff.
Wakisema 7,000, will you be there?
You see, Jeff, please give me time
Okay.
to also reply.
All right.
This man here. You see, when you're talking of money, I am not a thief. My records are crystal clear.
Wewe wacha mambo yako bwana.
I'm getting that.
Okay.
Wewe
This one is bragging.
Listen, you are
of
not-
money that he
Listen,
looted
you are
from
not
the
a-
public coffer.
Miguna,
yes.
listen, you are not a thief kwa sababu hujaichaguliwa. Now, where will you loot na hujaichaguliwa? Utaiba wapi na
Oh
hujaichaguliwa?
my goodness.
What-
Miguna.
failing exam does not has nothing to do with failing in life.
That's true.
Right.
That's true, Joho.
Now, Jeff,
Uh-huh.
when I was working in the office of the former Prime Minister,
Kwani
Okay.
ulikuwa-
I
kwani-
had the opportunities to steal.
Oh my
And
goodness.
all my colleagues were
Raila si
thieves.
mwizi. Raila si mwizi.
Wait, Joho.
Uh-huh.
Wait, Joho.
Okay.
I had an opportunity to steal and all my colleagues were thieves. They made billions
They made
from
billions?
dubious means. I didn't steal.
Okay.
Sasa watoto
And
wako
so
Miguna,
Joho
watoto wako
is coming here to brag with bloody money.
Oh my goodness, what do you say about that
Sasa
job?
utaulizwa siku moja, wakati watu walikuwa wanaiba ulikuwa unafanya nini? Ati na title. Hiyo kofia umevaa ni hata kofia kununua tu line ni ngumu, umeshonesha nani?
Oh my goodness. Miguna?
Jeff, one
You
problem.
see,
Jeff,
okay,
it is unfair to bring me for an interview with people of this mental wavelength.
Oh my
I don't
goodness.
think that. I don't with people who don't think.
Oh my goodness, Joho.
This one is an empty container who only knows how to talk nonsense.
Oh my
Things that
goodness.
don't count anything.
You
Now,
can say that
since he
Miguna.
started speaking,
Uh-huh.
has he spoken anything substantial?
Oh my goodness,
I'll
Joho has
say
talked about the development in the county.
We
He's talked about the
development.
initiative.
Apart
He's
from
been
putting on
he's-
suits.
He's been feeding people during the coronavirus.
Feeding who?
Sasa wewe
That is public
But-
money. That is public money.
goodness, Miguna, let me ask
Sasa
you.
no governor amefanya hivyo.
Okay, let me ask you,
I'm
Miguna.
narudia tena.
Okay,
I'm
uh-huh.
the first governor in Kenya kudonate chakula na kupatia watu sanitizer
Oh
during
my
this pandemic.
goodness, Miguna.
Which other governor amefanya kitu kama
Miguna,
hicho?
if you're governor today, if you're appointed governor of Mombasa,
Kivipi?
what will you do, Miguna?
You know what's
What
happening.
would you do, Miguna, if you're governor of
The
Mombasa
thing
tonight?
is this.
Uh-huh.
Giving someone
Uh-huh.
a 1 kg of unga
Oh my
and
goodness.
taking a selfie with that
Uh-huh.
does not mean you are a responsible governor.
You took a selfie?
This is a public show.
Lakini
This is
mimi-
a public
selfie?
show.
Lakini mimi-
He does one
Ulipiga
thing and
selfie na-
parrots
Lakini mimi
all over.
sijapiga selfie.
Ulipiga selfie na
It's
unga?
a parrot.
Show me.
Oh my goodness.
Show me, Miguna.
Unapiga selfie na unga?
Show me.
Joho has done literally nothing.
Miguna, what have you
He
done?
has looted Mombasa
Umefanya
County
nini,
to the
Miguna?
core.
What have you done, Miguna? You're being asked.
Now,
What have you done? that
What
you
I
can
have
show?
done is this.
Uh-huh.
The freedom that you are enjoying right now,
Uh-huh.
I fought for the
For it.
freedom.
I keep saying this thing each
Okay.
and every time
Uh-huh.
to you and to TV stations, radio stations, and the media fraternity as well, mpaka wale bloggers.
Right?
Each time you call these guys on interview,
Uh-huh.
kindly, and I repeat kindly, na sisitiza the word kindly, walipeni,
Oh my.
watafutieni kitu hata kidogo tu.
Oh my goodness, why do you say that?
There is no need akuje kwa interview.
Stop begging indirectly.
No, nawazungumzia na nawatetea na nazungumza kwa station zote. There is no need akuje kwa interview
Okay.
na tangi imewasha mataa hapo mbele. Sasa
my goodness.
anazungumza pale kwa interview na uchungu.
Mafuta imewaka?
Ya wakati mafuta imewaka tangi kumbe ajui hata rudi vipi nyumbani. You
What's the
understand?
capacity of your car?
You see, yes.
What's your capacity of your car?
Ni 1200 cc.
Yeah.
1200 cc, that's
Wait,
full
wait,
tank.
Joho,
Wait a
wait.
minute.
Wait.
Full tank,
Now,
3,000.
3,000.
Jeff, you are a moderator.
Full tank, 3,000.
You are a moderator.
1,000.
Don't point at me.
1,500.
1500, 1000.
You are a moderator. You are
1,500
taking
Miguna.
sides.
1,500
You
Miguna.
see,
Listen,
Jeff.
no.
Okay, 1,600.
Jeff,